Greetings, beautiful people. Are you good? I'm good, guys. All right, welcome to the platform. Today we are talking discretion versus discrimination, right? Discretion versus discrimination, right? All right, guys. My name is Debus Kosana. Welcome to the platform. The platform, it is the labor guide, the labor relations guide. All right, let's get to it, guys. Examining the potential legal ramifications of the failure to appoint a potential employee, right? The recruitment and selection processes are critical operational aspects of any organization, although employers generally have complete discretion, right, in determining who to appoint for a respective position. There are exceptions to how this discretion can be implemented. If a prospective candidate is not appointed due to unfair or irrational reasons, there may be adverse legal implications, right? South African